Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace an inverter lead battery water. So it's very important to monitor the levels of your lead batteries in order to make sure that the battery lasts long and functions efficiently for a very long time. So in order to do this, you don't want to use tap water. You need to get demineralized water. This you can find in any battery store, and essentially this will help cool down the batteries, also make sure that they're working properly and prevent overheating. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your inverter is off. You want to turn off every power outlets that the inverter is connected to. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch that off. And as you can see, every battery has different indicators for each cell. And you can notice that there is a green and a red line. The green means that the floater, which has a red cap, is full, and the red means the levels are low and you would need to add some more water. As you can see in this one, it's not too low, so we might just need to top up that a little bit with just a little bit of water. But if it's way lower, you might need to add more water, and the more water you add, the more it rises. So this one is pretty low. As you can see, it's almost red, so we would need to add a lot more water to this cell, and the others are like pretty much okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna demonstrate how to do that in a bit. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you unscrew the top of the cell. You can do that by just rotating, and as you can see here, we have done that, and there is a floater right below. So depending on the water level, the floater rises, and this shows us how high or low the water level is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and demonstrate that. As you can see, how it works pretty much. So I'm just gonna grab the demineralized water and open it, and as I do that, I'm gonna gradually pour some of that into the storage space for the water. I'm just gonna split a bottle in two to use that as some kind of a funnel, so the water doesn't spill all over. But if you don't have that, you can pour that directly as well, and then clean the batteries if there are any spills, because you don't want any spills on the batteries. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that slowly into the reservoir for the cell. And as I do that, I'm gonna be monitoring the level. As you can see, okay, I might have poured in a little bit too much because it's way over the green line, but that's totally fine. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and close that off. Right, so you want to make sure that the cells are nice and tight, and make sure to confirm that they're closely covered, and that's it. So it's pretty simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.